that ain't amazing, I don't know what is.
Shall we go for a run?
Let's do it!
Movement is medicine. Nope, too crazy. I'll have the lifeguard come after me, no time. And then we're sitting in here in this van in aircon and yeah, living our best life. Hi, my name is Christian. I live in Phuket, Thailand. And on this channel, I take my camper van all over Thailand to epic destinations. In today's video, we are here at Bang Tao Beach, where we're gonna enjoy ourselves, sleep overnight, do some exercising, getting in the water if I'm not too scared. It's pretty crazy current. So if you're up for that, sit down, get cozy, and come along for the ride. Here we are. We're ready for our first night at the beach. Look at Jan.
I'm quite comfortable.
Don't look at this bucket hanging in the floor. Things are not perfect, but...
Our second night in the van.
Yeah.
Your third night.
Yeah. But outside, if we open the door, we are right at the beach. So let's see how we sleep. We currently have 85% battery left for the aircon, which should be over 9 hours. So hopefully this thing up here will keep us cool through the night. Fingers crossed. Good night. Morning. How do you sleep? No comment. I slept like absolute dog shit up until I had to pee around 5:30, and then after that I fell asleep until 7:30, which is now. I think I was just too worried about like battery power and everything. But when I woke up 5:30 and I checked the battery power, there was still like 45% back, so that's good. 34 for the first night sleeping without shore power. So let's get on with it. Okay, let's get a first-hand experience of the morning views. If I can find my key. This is what it's all about. Okay. Oh, look at that. If that ain't amazing, I don't know what is. Wow. Good morning, Bang Tao. The only thing that's a shame up here is in the monsoon season, you have all the debris that's being flushed up due to the massive waves. And here's the van, right on the beach. Not too shabby. Oh yeah. These will come in handy now. Yes. Good morning. Look at that bed. That looks comfy ass. There she is. Oh yeah. Nice and strong wind. Refreshing. It was so windy last night that when the wind was hitting the van, we could feel the van shake throughout the night. Yeah, that's nice.
really hope that there's an ignition function in this because I don't have a lighter. First time using it. Oh yes, there is. Probably the wind here a little bit. There's too much wind. No. Good morning. First beach trip. Ooh. Did you enjoy your breakfast? Now breakfast is done. Shall we go for a run?
Let's do it!
Yay! Found our next camping spot in there, in between the trees. Less people and maybe less wind. Now let's get back. Movement is medicine, physically and mentally. Nothing beats it. There she is. Ew. There's nothing that's gonna make you feel better than to go for a run or go do a workout or whatever it might be. Running in particular, proven to be one of the most dopamine producing exercises we can do. But for someone to go from an inactive lifestyle to an active lifestyle literally makes you feel better than any drug, any medicine, any nothing. This is nature's medicine. Endorphins, all of it. You just feel so freaking good. Current is crazy. Nope, too crazy. I'll have the lifeguard come after me no time. Okay, we have the run done. Did you like that?
It was hard for whatever reason.
It was hard.
It felt like I did 10K.
Yeah, but we did it. I think we did like 3K. That's it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Maybe not as easy, but we did it. Now it's shower time. There we go, shower done. I must say, having a shower in the van is, it takes a lot of space. As you can see here behind me is this big box. We could potentially make it smaller, but that being said, it is really nice to have. Again, this bucket you see hanging right here is because of I have insulated these aircon lines, but up here as it comes through the ceiling, it's hard for me to do the same. And then when the aircon is on, because of condensation, it drops a bit of water, and I don't want mold in here, so that's going to be there until we change the AC. I'm going to get an AC that goes from outside the ceiling, and then the output is just under the entry point through the ceiling, so it's just like one unit. Now we have the compressor on top of the van up here where all these wires comes in, and then it sends all the cold air down to this one, and you can see all the condensation, and it's just a really low quality aircon that this van was sold with. So I'm going to change that eventually, but for now this is just how it looks. But it's fine. It works and it's great. Just want to show you something really awesome. Look out the window here. People lying down tanning, families walking around, and then we're sitting in here in this van in aircon and yeah, living our best life. What's gonna happen now is I'm gonna sit here at my computer. I'm gonna put in a good 2 hours work for now. I work as an online coach with people from all over the world, optimizing their health and fitness, build muscle mass, drop body fat, so they can achieve long-lasting results, no quick fixes. And I do that by communicating with them through WhatsApp, through my online coaching app, and coaching calls over Zoom. So I'm gonna sit down and put in some quality work now, get this done, and then after that we'll be heading back home, recharging for the next adventure. I hope you enjoyed this one. Even though we didn't have a hell of a stuff going on, it was still a nice, very spontaneous trip for us. And the most important thing is that we got out, we were in nature, we did a workout, and we ate a delicious breakfast. What else is there to ask for? And as a reminder, I upload these videos every weekend, every Sunday. So if you want to have a little Sunday cozy moment, then make sure you subscribe to my channel, drop a like if you like the video, so you get notified the next time I upload a video. And that's it. That's a wrap for today. See you in the next one.